So sources of impurities: raw material, process of manufacturing, instability of the product. These are the three different types of or different sources of impurities. So a compound is said to be impure if it is contains some undesirable particles. Now raw material is also a source of impurity. For example, rock salt contains small amount of calcium sulfate and magnesium chloride as an impurity. Thus, sodium chloride prepared from the rock salt contains these as an impurity. Reagents also used in the pharmaceutical industry may be the source of impurities. If the reagent used in the manufacturing process are not completely removed, they may enter into the final product. For example, ammoniated mercury contains ammonium hydroxide. Ammoniated mercury contains small amount of reagent ammonium hydroxide as an impurity if we unable to remove it completely. Solvent: water is a common and the cheapest solvent used, that also a source of impurity. If you are using tap water, these impurities may be present, and if you use softened water, then at least it contains impurities like sodium ion and chloride ion. And if you use distilled water, it is best, but it is costly. And reaction vessel: during manufacturing process, some solvents and reagent can react with the metal vessel. Example, iron vessel, if you are using, it contains arsenic impurity, they may react with solvent or reagent. And atmospheric contaminations also a source of impurity. If the in the industrial area, atmosphere contains dust particles and gases like H2S, SO2 and black smoke, these may enter into the product and act as a source of impurity. Intermediate also can act as a source of impurity that will enter into the final product. For example, potassium iodide is prepared by reacting iodine with potassium hydroxide. During this, the intermediate KiO3 is going to form, that may enter into the final product. So to remove this KiO3, we need to treat this intermediate with coke to get potassium iodide. And during manufacturing also, some hazards are going to be appear. The presence of unwanted particulate matter like dust, glass or microbial contamination or error during the process, cross contamination, packing errors are also the source of